Hi, it's Andy here at Photech Video. Well, I'm pretty excited right at this moment as I'm making some changes in the format of my next videos. Stick around to see what those changes are. So as I said before the intro, there are some interesting changes coming up in the format of my next videos. There will also be a couple of changes in the way that you can access content from my channel. I'm about to start creating a series of videos in which I will be working with live models here in my small studio and also in exteriors. The aim of these videos is to show you how different lenses and cameras perform in different conditions, as well as creating a series of tutorial videos in which I will show you how to create different looks and styles by using different techniques. If you want to see those videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring on that notification bell to be notified every time a new video drops on my channel. Remember that subscribing to a channel on YouTube is completely free for you and helps the channel to grow. I look forward to seeing you very soon with the first video in this series. So until the next time, this is Andy at Photech Video signing off. Take care and be safe.